How to install YouTube application on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to install YouTube on iPhone, here is what you should do. First of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection for the download and installation. For this, you can check for the control panel and from there connect to a stable Wi-Fi settings. After that, make sure you have logged in into your Apple ID. Also, make sure that you have updated your iOS to the latest version. Now you can head over to your App Store. After that, head over to the search bar and type in YouTube. Once you type in YouTube, you will see a Get button if not yet installed. If already installed and not updated, you will see Update button. Once you tap on the Get button, you'll have to double press on the side button and confirm it with your Face ID. Only then the installation will start. Within few seconds, your installation should be completed and then you can open the app on your iPhone, log in with your account and use it. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.